just filming, so if you want to make any comments about what you're doing.
Just press start and it's going to do its thing.
I see all 5 axes come up on the screen.
Yeah, it's like
even though you don't have them all.
No, it's ready.
Yeah, it's ready though. Yeah.
So it's going to origin itself. Hold on, it's going to ask some questions now. Wants to know what tools are in the tool changer. And I hit yes because it'll origin the tool changers as well as the machine itself if they need to move. Okay, origin's complete.
Okay.
Now we just go to manual. I can just select each axis and then go to
okay. Let me know when you're going to be moving stuff, what you're going to be moving.
I'm going to move that.
You going to ramp up the spindles for me?
Yeah, well, move the X.
Move it more in Y for me. And move it in X again, move it a little bit more, both directions.
Faster. I'll pull the tool setter out a little bit first. You can also do this incrementally with the start button. You can set the distance you want to move it and then push start and it'll move it to that distance. So move the Y again. And Z.
Yeah, if you keep doing Z for a bit. I want to see Z come all the way down as far as we can go. Okay, that's good.
I want to say it's 4 inches from the table. I can't recall.
What are you going to do next?
Well, we want the spindles.
Ramp up the spindle.
Spindles are probably kind of important.
Yep. You want me to stop my video? There we go. Okay, I'm filming. What RPM is that?
It's 1,000.
Okay.
No, I have to remember. 4. There you go.
What RPM are you at now?
1,000 on the off spindle. On this guy here.
Oh, what's the RPM on the small one?
1,000 right now.
Oh, so 1,000 on both of them?
That's what I set it to, yeah.
Okay.
But this will go 12,000, that'll go 40,000.
12,000, 40,000. Right now they're both at 1. Okay.
So this, it's either or, right?
Right. And then maybe just show me a quick change like you did when you had them stop. Or are you going to crank them up higher? Oh, you stopped the secondary one, it looks like, auxiliary.
Yep.
Is that one still going?
Okay. And then here's an all manual tool change, because I don't have tools in it. It's going to stop the tool change because there's nothing to put in there.
Oh, that's interesting. So it stops it.
Well, it knows if there's nothing in it that it can't
You
load.
just press the button there, main.
Yep, the man, and then that's air. This one's hydraulic.
Okay, air for the secondary one and hydraulic for the main one.
Correct.
Okay.
And then when you're using one, the plug is in the other, and vice versa.
Okay, and then no vice.
No, I'm keeping the vice.
Keeping the vice. Okay.